Good morning, party people. I am in the Cincinnati, Ohio area. I'll be here for a few more days. Then I'm headed west to Albuquerque. I plan to stop through St. Louis, Missouri on my way to Albuquerque. Not sure on my way back. However, today, while in Cincinnati, Ohio, I am on my way to Cars and Coffee. Should be there about 8 o'clock. We'll stay there until about 9. Tobago Coffee, 2726 Riverside Drive. Around 9 o'clock, I will be headed down to Louisville, Kentucky, trying to beat the heat. I'm going to check on a few parts down there in the salvage yards in Louisville, Kentucky. I'll be there, I guess, somewhere around 11 through 1. If you're in between here and there, you want to have a meet and greet, you want to have lunch, something like that, I do have my N95 mask. I do my best with the social distancing stuff. I'm not real critical about that though, so if you want to hang out for a little while, we can do that. Then I'll be back in Cincinnati this afternoon, and I'll be here a few days. So that's where I'm at. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of the day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, trying to get a grip on this oil leak. I think I've lost about a half a quart of oil with this plastic gasket around the sensor. I think I'm going to try to wipe it down and tighten it. See what happens. I don't know if it's cracked, deteriorated, what's going on with it. Try to look on this side of it. I got a couple of, supposed to be crush washers. That's a temp sensor, ECT crush washer, and I got this one from Nordic Motors. So see if I can get this to stop leaking. It's getting all over my wires and everything else. I was able to turn this nut a little bit, about 30 degrees. So I'm gonna leave it like that, see if some more drips out of it. Check it a little later today. I'm not losing so much that I need to be concerned about it. Down here, notice my transmission torque mount is tearing both locations. I think I got another one of those, so I'll probably replace that pretty soon here. Oil cooler lines. Oh, that's a power steering line. It's got a little fluid on it. I thought that was my oil cooler lines. I'm gonna wipe that off, see if it gets wet again. I had these rebuilt not long ago, and everything else looks okay down here. About to tinker a little bit on Red Barron. We're going to start out by replacing the ignition switch. Right now we're having to turn it back a little bit, get everything working. Get rid of that. Then we're going to swap the exhaust off of the C70 on the Red Barron. So we're going to pull the exhaust off that C70, and we're going to go from there. Pull the collar off, unplug the ignition switch, wiring. Make sure you don't pull that outer sleeve off. You have a mess on your hands. Now I got 2 screws to get the actual switch off the column. Put a fuse in the power deal on this AFR. Plugged in the cruise control pump. Replaced the ignition switch. Got to work on this headliner. Look like I need to replace the glass on that sunroof because it's coming up right over there. Same thing on Barron's V70R. And we'll replace this thing here. And tomorrow work on the exhaust because really pretty much I'm out of time already today. So I'm going to take this thing for a test drive, hook up the scan gauge, follow the temp, see if this temp sensor's corrected itself or if it's still bad. They gave us an error code. It was trying to run the fan prematurely. And then tomorrow I'm probably going to work on getting this timing belt cover hooked up. This thing is out of whack. I'm going to go to the salvage yard, see if I can find some VVT caps that have different VVT configurations. Take some of them caps off those cars. Time for me to clean the fish tank. Dude is doing bad. I seen that coming yesterday. So I'm going to clean the tank for him. In this video I'm going to try to fix the self-rising mini blind shade that I just destroyed. I had a broken slat in there, so I released the lines from the bottom, and then I was going to shorten it, so I removed some, and I failed to remember that these blinds, when you lift them up, they will hold up. Well, when I lifted up on there, the retraction device pulled all three of the strings up into the retraction mechanism. So now I got to get this fixed, get that retraction mechanism thread back through these blinds, and get this thing set back up. I'm losing them on that end, but I'm going to shorten it and do that. So I pulled the blind off the wall, and it looks like I have one cord there, one cord here, and one missing, because I got three areas that this thing was going down. So I'm going to try to pull this mechanism out of there and see if I could find all three of these cords that are supposed to help this blind rise and lower. I'm going to pop those out and see if I can get that mechanism out of there. But it looks like I'm going to have to take these retractable things out here as well to get that thing out. So I'll let you know what I do. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.